Hi! Welcome back to the channel. This is Marky from PH Books and More, and I am back with another bookish video. This is now part 4 of my quote-unquote bookshelf tour. Hopefully, na panood nyo na yung parts 1, 2, 3. Especially part 1 because I explained there what to expect in these videos and also the reason why I am making these videos. Kita nyo naman part 4 na and ang dami pang naghihintay na box eh. So, I hope meron kayong enough energy na panoorin lahat. I'm just happy to share all these books to you guys. So, enjoy. Please enjoy the videos. And I hope sana may makita kayong book na gusto niyo ring basahin. Okay, let's now continue. The next box that I'm going to show you are actually still Psychom books, pero this is the last one. Again, I have so many Psychom books in my collection, mainly because I grew up reading some of them. Tapos nag-imprint na lang sa utak ko yung Psychom. And kaya ang dami ko nang nabili tuloy na books from them. Which is okay, kasi lagi naman din silang nagsisale and ang laki lagi ng discounts nila. So, if you're thinking of buying Psychom books, abang lang kayo ng sales kasi medyo madami silang sales na pinopromote. So, there. So, let's go ahead. With no further ado, let's start my bookshelf tour, part 4. So, the first ones that I will show you are from one particular author. Okay. So, this is Juan Bautista, and you have Alas, Mga Maikling Kwento, or Maikling Kwento. There. Not funny, but quick anecdote. I gave copies of this to my friends. Tapos may isa pa akong binigay sa kanila. And hopefully mabasa nila. Because I've been into reading short stories and excited akong basahin to kasi nung nabasa ko yung blurb, medyo kakaiba siya. Not your typical psychom book. And if I'm not wrong, this is under Literati there. I believe it's an imprint of Psychom. So, sobrang excited akong basahin siya. Hopefully, in the future. Okay. All right. The next one that I have, again from Juan Bautista, is Ang Bagong Krusada. There. And last one is Immortal. So again, this is a collection of short stories. There. Okay. Next one is from another author na naging interested ako nung nabasa ko yung blurb. So we have Tagos by TPC. And then this one. I think this is G, kung di ako nagkakamali. Also by TPC. So yeah. Very interesting cover. So I'm excited to read them when I find the time. Okay. And ito yung isa ko pang nabigay na book sa mga kaibigan ko. So you have Batang 90s, The Epic Throwback ni Vinci Glodovil. So, yeah. Masaya siyang basahin kasi it's all about the 90s, yung pop culture, popular things ng decade na yun. And I grew up in that decade, so I'm quite happy to be reading these stories. So yeah, excited akong basahin to. I haven't read it. I bought this in 2019 and up until now hindi ko pa siya nababasa, but I'm excited to read it soon. Okay, moving on. We have some books from J. Panty. Kung napanood niyo yung the last one, part 3, may mga nabanggit na ako or napakita na akong books from J. Panty. So, these are also some of his collections. Mga hugot, technically. So, we have here Para sa hopeless mong mukha, gaganda ka rin, tiwala lang. Then you have hashtag hugot pa more, ba't ganon? There's hashtag hugot lines, hashtag you thoughts. Next is hashtag grabe siya oh. Hashtag pag na-deads ka, iikot pa rin ang mundo ko. Wow, that's long. Next is hashtag umaasa sa wala. Hashtag manloloko ka pa rin. Next is hashtag saging lang ang may puso. Hashtag walang kadaladala naghihintay sa wala. And finally, the hashtag hugot panty journals. Season 2, number 1. Sadly, ito na lang nakita ko. Wala na akong ibang nakitang panty journal. So, tingnan natin kung may mahahanap pa tayo soon. But, yeah. There. Okay, so that's all of the compilation I have from J Panty. Ito na. Ito yung, I guess, one of the biggest collections that I have. I actually bought these books back in 2014 or 2015. Tapos binili ko yung isang set, not knowing na meron pa palang kulang. So, 36 books yung binili ko. Hindi ko alam, 37 pala siya. So, yung 37th book or 37th volume, nabili ko lang this year. Pero finally, complete na yung collection and I'm happy because this is, sabihin na natin, part of my high school, part of my college life. So, again, healing my inner child. Okay. I'm sure many readers are familiar with this. So you have True Philippine Ghost Stories. So, ayusin natin para walang glare. Ay, hindi glare. Ay, alam mo hindi kaya. So, wag na lang. There we go. So, there you have True Philippine Ghost Stories. So, this is book 1. Fair warning, medyo scary yung ibang covers. So, bantay na lang. So, this is book 2. There. Then you have book 3. Here's book 4. Here. And then you have book 5. Here's book 6. Here. There's book 7. And then you have book 8. Next you have book 9. And book 10. Alam niyo ba, hindi ko pa nababasa tong mga to. Kasi, when I bought them, plano ko na silang basahin sana nung sunod-sunod. Kasi umuulan, so perfect time for reading. Madilim. So, hindi ko tinuloy kasi natakot ako agad. So, I think I've read until book 5, pero hindi ko pa siya natutuloy. But, tingnan natin kung mababasa ko pa ba to. So, this is book 11. And then you have book 12. Book 13. And then here's book 14. You have book 15. And here's book 16. This is my favorite cover. I don't know why. I just love the contrast of red and white. 16. 17. Here. And then you have 18. And there's 19. Moving on to 20. Here's 21. Here we have 22. There's 23. Here we have 24. Then you have 25. Let's go to number 26. And here's 27. Here we have 28. Then here's 29. Parang K-pop yun. And then you have 13, 31, 32, 33. Do not read when you're alone. 34, 35, 36. And the final one na this year ko lang nabili, 37. It has, may plastic cover siya. And so there, 37. Okay. Now, for those who don't know, Psycom re-released books 1 to 10. I think very recent lang. I think it was after, it was post-pandemic nung nag-release sila ng books 1 to 10. And I decided to get volume 1. It's not the same as this one. It's actually a resurrected version. So these are technically compilation of all the of some stories from the entire series. So binili ko siya. This is outside of books 1 to 37. So it's a separate book but related. Kasi nga, adapted from the other volumes yung stories na nandito. So you have True Philippine Ghost Stories Resurrected, Volume 1. I haven't heard if magkakaroon ng Volume 2, pero mag-aabang na lang din siguro ako. But yeah, this is again a collection of some stories from the entire series, kung di ako nagkakamali. So there. So that's about it. Those are actually all of the books in this plastic box that I have. Natapos na rin tayo finally sa mga Psycom books. Meron pa yata akong ilang Psycom books na nakakalat sa ibang boxes, but we'll get there. So, thank you so much for spending your 13 minutes with me. Please stay tuned for the rest of the bookshelf tour. Marami pa kayong makikitang fun books. Karamihan ay comic books. May ilan na nabasa na ako, so I'll be sharing some anecdotes. But yeah, just please stay tuned for the rest of the bookshelf tour. So again, this is Marky from PH Books and More. Magliligpit na ako ng boxes and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!